Welcome. Today in front of me Honor 15, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So now I'll just do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll just set here the maximum mode. The maximum mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume, then here on the display the value will change. So let's start. So as can you see, the Honor 50 reached the 110.5 decibels. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.